This is the Prowler. See the pin on the right of the other pin, the new pin, because I have to fix it myself because he took my warranty away on a 7-month-old machine. These are the parts that broke. They didn't put it together right. They put a bolt on there. On the sprocket, you can see, and busted it into 3 pieces. And this coupling needs to be greased all the time, but he told you it never needs to be greased, ever. And now look at the mess. And there's my machine in 2 pieces. I also had to put a lock washer on the pressure gauge because it would vibrate off. This thing had problems ever since I bought it. First 2 months, falling apart, fittings were breaking, spraying water all over the machine. 7 months later, this happens, and then no warranty. Wanted me to ship it back to Texas. I don't got time to ship it back to Texas.